welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, cooking some baked chicken. Got it already prepped up, got it already seasoned off the camera behind the scenes. So I cut up some bell peppers, I cut up 2 pieces of habanero peppers and there. You know, so I'm doing some baked chicken today. So well seasoned up. I put the butter on the top, so when I put it in the oven, the chicken do not be dry. Well, I cook my baked chicken at 400 degrees. Well, some people cook theirs at 350 degrees. But me, I like my chicken to be well done. So when it's finished cook, I'm going to show y'all the end result. You know, I have no energy to do no video in a while. You know, so I'll be putting up those little shorts because, you know, like I need the support. I need the real support. If you're going to support me, you're going to support me. If you don't want to support me, you go somewhere else. You know, as simple as that. Yeah, so you see, I got it all pretty seasoned up, as you can see. You know, ready to go in the oven. Well, pretty. You know, let me lift up the camera so y'all can see. Give y'all an overhead look. Yeah, see, well seasoned down. Maggi season, seasoned salt, bell pepper, garlic powder. You know, so as you can see. So I'm about to throw this in the oven, peeps. And when it finish, you know, I cook my baked chicken for at least 2.5 hours, and if it ain't done, I give it an extra half an hour. But the top, sometime everybody cook their baked chicken different though. As I said, I make sure I cook mine thoroughly so it's well cooked, because you don't want to be eating your chicken, or you cut the chicken and you try and eat chicken and the chicken is not done or blood is coming out of it. You want to make sure that the chicken is cooked very properly. You gotta cook the chicken very properly. You know, so we'll put it in the oven, peeps. We'll put this in the oven, make it cook. As I say, when it's done, when it finish, I'm gonna show you all the end result. You know, yes, peeps. So I must say, I never really have no energy for doing no video in a while. You know, because I'm supporting people and they're not supporting me. But to all my real supporters, I love y'all, because real people always gonna support me. Because honestly, I wasn't even going to do a video in a while, but to my real supporters who love Flossy, who support Flossy, yeah, this video is for y'all to enjoy. Yes, so as I said, when I'm cooking baked chicken, the baked chicken, I cook mine at 400 degrees for the oven. Some people put theirs to 350 degrees, but I like my chicken to be well done. And when I finish cook it, y'all will see it and see that it's not dry, it's moist, it's juicy, it's delicious. So you see my presentation, you see my pepper on the top and everything, you know, well presentable. You know what I mean? So yes, peeps. So as you can see, well seasoned up to go in the oven. I make this cook for at least 2.5 hours to 3 hours. You know, everybody cook them chicken different, you know, but that's the right way. That's how I cook mine. How long it takes. So alright, I'm about to put it in the oven, peeps, and when it's done, I'm about to show y'all the end result. Alright, so just stay tuned. Alright, so I'm about to do some egg fried rice. Some egg fried rice with some carrot also. So you see, I got the egg frying. And put a little salt on my egg. And about Make sure the egg is frying up. You see the egg is almost done. So I'm gonna add my rice in, and also fry up some carrot inside the rice. You know, in my kitchen I always doing new things, you know. So get to it. Turn the fire down. I know I burn this skillet a little bit, but add some more butter. Turn the fire down, add some more butter. And as I said, about for adding some carrot in this, my style. Make sure you see the camera. About adding some carrot. Make sure that tripod, man, it's tripod. Cut some carrot in there. Cut some carrot and put in there something different now though. But you know, I'm going to do it off camera. So because I'm trying to do it on the camera, but this tripod I got, peeps, it's not really the tripod is not really the tripod is not really, some reason I don't know, come like it's not really sturdy or something, so I gotta get another one. So I'm just cutting up this carrot off the camera. I was trying to do it on the camera for y'all to see, but it wasn't working out. So I said I add some carrot to this. It's my style. Fry egg, rice, carrot. Let's peep. So I make sure the camera see. See my carrot right there. Let me tell you, so this fucking tripod, I guess I will see it when it's inside the pot. Try my best to show everything. I can't always show everything, so. Rice, my egg, carrot. No, I'm going to add my rice in it. So, add my rice. I'm going to add some more butter. Add some more butter. Turn back up the stove. Yes, peeps, so you know, something new. I'm using extra chef. Something new me I doing now. You know, you minor. like, I mean, you might not like something like this, but it worth a try, you know what I mean? So, just like you got a Chinese place and you had a fried rice or something, you know, me just do my own version cooking, you know, in the kitchen. You see, cook different from the rest, you know, the new stuff. Maybe you or nobody who need to try or think of cooking. Yeah, so I'm gonna say this is some rice, egg, and some carrot in there. So you know, little mix up, as people in Jamaica will say. You know, little mix up. You know what I mean? So I go leave this to make the carrot cook. Let me know this is going to be so delicious, peeps. Let me know some people might not even need to think of cooking rice, egg and carrot together. I could also add some peppers in there too, you know, but I'm going to leave it like that. No, so turn the fire back down. And peeps, when it's finished, let me say when it's finished, I'm gonna make y'all see how it is after I'm done. So baked chicken with rice. Well, this is my type of this is my type of my type of Chinese rice, like my style, Jamaican style. So you know, I'm just doing my own version. You know, rice, egg, carrot. You know, I could have add some more stuff to it too, like shrimp and stuff. But I wasn't planning of cooking the rice like this. But you know, out of the blue, I just say, you know, let me just do something different, because you know, in my kitchen. Alright, so this is my baked chicken finished cook. You can see, got one with the skin and I got two of them skinless. So that's the end result, my peeps. You can see it's cooked, it's finished. So I'll show you how to do before, and this is the after. So I'll cook it for approximately, you see that one over there, so because the skin is on and that one right there, but these I'll cook them skinless. But yes, peeps, they are finished. You know, when I put it on my plate, I'm gonna make y'all see, so y'all can see how it look on the plate. So yes, peeps, so baked chicken are done. Let me see that one over there in the skin. I like my baked chicken without skin. So one over here, so with the skin, is not for me. So yes, so I like mine skinless. But I'm put on a plate, peeps. I make y'all see the next video. Alright. Alright, so peeps, this is the end result tonight. See there? So the end result of my baked chicken. And as I say, it's a my style. In Jamaica they call this like seasoned rice. So this is like my type of rice mix up. So carrot, egg, and rice and baked chicken. You can see. Hope you all enjoy this video. So my baked chicken come out nice and moist. Put little hot sauce on it because that's all of my baked chicken with the hot sauce. So hope you all enjoy the video, peeps. See y'all in my next one.